Guys, how are you doing? My name is Summer, for those of you who do not already know, and thank you guys so much for watching. I also noticed that 67% of my viewers are not subscribed, so can you please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me? Today I have a Boxy charm unboxing for April. I know it's late, that's kind of why I was debating to do it, but I just got mine late, it's no big deal. And as you can see, I have a baby kitten right here. And if you hear a lot of meowing in this video, I am very sorry. He just got fed. He should be going to sleep shortly, but we'll see how long that lasts, okay? And his name is Thunder. He is so cute. He's so sweet. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you my Boxy charm for the month of April. I've already went ahead and opened this up, so yeah, I don't know why I touch my face so many times. So okay. The theme for the month is festival vibes. And y'all don't forget that the Boxy pop-up is May 12th. Okay, the first thing I see in here is the makeup eraser, the sunset one. It's really pretty. I heard you say you're supposed to wash this before you use it, but it's a good size. I mean, this is okay. It's cute. I kind of wanted it, so that's good. And this retailed for $22. We have the Beauty Sponge by Hank and Henry. This is, these beauty sponge are meant to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. I like to use my beauty blenders dry. I'll give these a shot. This is the Elemis Super Food Hydrating Juice. I used it one time and it was really hydrating. It smells like aloe vera also. But this retailed for, wow, $48. I didn't really care for the Zoeva palettes that I was seeing. I honestly have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I just didn't care to have any more at the moment. Like I said, I'm sorry if y'all hear a whole bunch of scratching, meowing. He's being very bashful right now. So, I'm sorry. The Lavish brush set, which I love getting eyeshadow brushes, face brushes, whatever in my Boxy charm because I do so many eye looks and I need a lot of them because I don't clean my brushes every day. But these feel, I don't know, these feel a little bit cheap. And when these eyebrow brushes, I don't like mine to be flimsy. I like mine to be very, very, very stiff. So, but the blending brush or crease brush, same thing. A little different, but I mean, it feels okay. It feels like it'll blend okay. Yeah, I'm about to whoop his butt. Not really. But they say these are, oh my gosh, $29.99. I wouldn't pay that much for just 5 brushes, but anyways. The Professional Hydrating Primer by Benefit. But the thing with me, and I'm not trying to like say anything, I honestly only have really big pores like on my forehead area. And they're not that big, honestly. Like, I don't have that many pores, which I'm so thankful for. So, I think I'm going to save this for a future giveaway. And, y'all, we hit 60 subscribers. Yay! When it gets to 100, I'm doing a giveaway, and this will be in it. So, stay tuned for that, and just hit that subscribe button. So, that is all for my Boxy charm for the month of April. I honestly like the sponges, the hydrating juice, the makeup eraser, The brushes are good. I mean, I'll use them. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!